I know it's been quite a while since I've done a fire alarm video, or any type of video for that matter, but it's finally here. And right off the bat you will notice a very major change to the system, a few changes actually. And here they are. So, as you can see, the Edwards bell is no longer up, and in its place is a Honeywell SC806A1004 electromechanical horn. Now this is a Wheelock Model 34 horn, which just has a Honeywell sticker on it, which you can see right there. And the MT is still being used as a remote strobe. I'm hoping to get an RSS or something to put there soon. And for a pull station, we have an Edwards 270SPO, the 1950 version. And the panel still has a battery trouble. I don't think I'm ever going to get batteries for it. It's just kind of pointless. So, that's a quick little rundown of the system. The panel is set to continuous coding for the horn, and the strobe will flash after the horn has been silenced. So without further ado, let's go. In 3, 2, 1... Strobe is still flashing. Let's reset the pull station now. And let's reset the system. Okay, so now we're just waiting for the battery trouble to kick in so I can acknowledge it. There it is. And that has been Fire Alarm System Test 2. Thanks for watching.